Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in London. I live in London. What kind of person do you want to be? What kind of person do you want to be? Honest and confident. Honest and confident. Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Where do you shop? Where do you shop? At local markets. At local markets. How often do you shop? How often do you shop? Once a month. Once a month. Do you shop online? Do you shop online? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you compare prices? Do you compare prices? Always. Always. What's the last thing you bought? What's the last thing you bought? Shoes. Shoes. Do you like bargaining? Do you like bargaining? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Who do you shop with? Who do you shop with? My friends. My friends. Do you save money? Do you save money? I try to. I try to. How do you stay healthy? How do you stay healthy? By eating well. By eating well. Do you like fruits? Do you like fruits? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. How many hours do you sleep? How many hours do you sleep? 7 8 hours. 7 8 hours. What do you do when sick? What do you do when sick? Take medicine. Take medicine. Do you eat fast food? Do you eat fast food? Not often. Not often. How to live healthy? How to live healthy? Eat well, sleep well. Eat well, sleep well. Do you use a computer daily? Do you use a computer daily? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What do you use the internet for? What do you use the internet for? Study and fun. Study and fun. Do you like social media? Do you like social media? Yes. Yes. How often do you use your phone? How often do you use your phone? All day. All day. What's your favorite app? What's your favorite app? My favorite app, YouTube. My favorite app, YouTube. Do you play games? Do you play games? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. What do you think of online learning? What do you think of online learning? It's great. It's great. Does technology make life easier? Does technology make life easier? Of course. Of course. What's your favorite festival? What's your favorite festival? Eid. Eid. How do you celebrate your birthday? How do you celebrate your birthday? With cake and friends. With cake and friends. Do you wear traditional clothes? Do you wear traditional clothes? Yes, on special days. Yes, on special days. Do you like cultural programs? Do you like cultural programs? Yes. Yes.